This is paradis vlog number 3, I guess. Show you the progress we've made in the pool. Well, the Quality Pools company has made this. So they're gonna put like concrete inside supposedly. I think they're gonna put like these wooden shots against the wall here as well. And then put like concrete here until there. I'm not sure actually. But at first I thought they would pour the concrete inside here. But I think it's just working space maybe instead. So that's like, you know, the first big update. They kept working all week, a little bit of work, poco poco. But yeah, the neighbor complained because they thought we were building a wall on their land because these wooden supports are like a little bit on their land. But no, we're not even started on the wall yet. This is just a pool. I told the pool company I'm not going to use them for the wall because I'm like a little bit disappointed in the pool company because they gave me a quotation and they didn't include the pool house. So actually the price they offered was like a little bit lower than the competition, but the competition did include the pool house. So if you factor that change in, this company is more expensive. So now I don't want them, let them do anything else basically. I'll just let them do the pool and I'm gonna get like some other contractor to do the wall and the pool house and the pavement. It's my little revenge, I guess. Just like I don't really trust them that much anymore. So like, you know, let them do the pool. Already paid for that, so yeah. Anyway, the second big update is that we cut down this palm tree. There was like a big palm tree here. And the gardener and my father both worked tirelessly to chop up this tree and put it in here. We couldn't get the container to remove the garbage, like it's lying over here now. That will arrive tomorrow. So yeah, that's, you know, big update in the garden. Oh yeah, and another big update is that the Seder people came. So we actually have internet now in this house, which is like, it basically means it's livable. Since I'm leaving on Tuesday, there's no point for me to move over, I guess, to this house. Hi, Future Yappy here. So I forgot to mention why I left Aruba in the first place. After all, this is probably the most important project in my life. So keep in mind that I'm like a rather introverted, perhaps even nerdy person. But despite that, 2 beautiful women invited me to spend New Year in the Netherlands. And I was like, okay, I cannot reject such an offer. So I went back to the Netherlands. But yeah, having internet here is amazing. This is Jacco and he's installing the airco. Hi Jacco. He helped me choose out the aircos and we're gonna get like this big airco in this living room, so it will be all cooled. Because, you know, Aruba is 24 degrees normally, or it's hot here. And then the other thing is like the fridge arrived. When we bought the airco units, we encountered the exact same fridge, but there was dent in here in the airco place, and it was on like 1,000 fluorine discount, so like 600 euros cheaper for a little dent. But I didn't get that one. I paid the full price because I didn't know. So yeah, it's a nice fridge. But I didn't get the cube machine because we need to also put like a water connection to that. So yeah, I decided to not do that because it would be like 1,000 or 2,000 florins more expensive for just the fridge. And then also have to put the water connection from here to the fridge, which would be another 1,000 florins. So I decided to not do that for now. And today I painted these plywood things. Like I painted all of these because like the previous owners, they didn't do a nice paint job, so there were like spots on it. Like here, you can see it here. There's like stuff like this here. I haven't painted this one yet. Something interesting is that inside the closets of these bedrooms, we gave a little facelift to them. And then like another small update, you barely can see it, but we put kit. We waterproofed all the windows because the previous owners, they basically had water come inside from the weather. Like if it would rain, then you could see like a little puddle of water laying on here, and that would actually also be the cause of the mold. So we now just covered it with kit. You can see it a little bit. It's like a little bit shiny here. But now it should be waterproof. Oh, those are all the updates from inside the house. Hello again. If you liked the video, please like a video and leave your comments down in the comment box below. And subscribe. Do all the things. Do the things.